Today, week 9, can you believe it? Day 18, scaling networks. This took up a good share of the day, but we looked at that, and then the students worked at finishing their labs. So here's some of the key things we talked about. We talked about looking at the rack. Our catalyst switches, we have 2 of these. They're going to be our vertical north-south communications. And then we'll use a nexus for our servers and storage internally, or east-west you might want to call it. Things we need to do is we need to get a good evaluation of the items we have currently, the ProLiant 380s. Those get what we have for ports, how many ports, type, speed, where the VMs are. VMs are storage, and then our separate box evaluation of that, how that connects in. That is outside the rack, so if that's like a redundant. Redundant option. Management VLAN, 2 VLANs for storage, and servers. Talked about at least a couple servers. We talked a little bit about we need to be able to access these 2 rooms from the catalyst switch, and we currently have cabling which we can do that. We might do something a little bit different in 216 to connect into this room right here. I'll use another color like that. 240's the room where the servers sit. Then we have classroom 216, 229, and a wiring closet 228. We got a bunch of runs to that wiring closet we'll be able to use. Alright, we'll move the firewall. We'll move the firewall here. Maybe I can do this in red. We'll move the firewall so our catalyst switches will connect to the firewall. From the firewall we'll go out to NIAC. We can easily run or buy a fiber connection to go from the firewall. This is that wiring closet, 216, which then is fiber going to our main connection, going out to the ICN. Then off this firewall we'll have a couple of DMZs directly off that, and those will be able to communicate through VLANs through these catalyst switches. Yeah, it'll be a fun project to put together. That's it.